To get an understanding of who Kingsdown is, we have to start with our deep heritage. Originally named the Mebane Bedding Company, Kingsdown started in a small North Carolina town called Mebane. Its focus on superior hand craftsmanship and patented components has helped Kingsdown emerge as an industry leader. Early in the 1970s, Kingsdown changed its name after its best-selling model, and today, Kingsdown remains one of the top manufacturers in the U.S. and boasts sales in 20 countries worldwide. Unlike other manufacturers, Kingsdown is employee-owned. That means every employee, from the guy sweeping the floor to the guy running the show, they all have a vested interest in the success of this company. Kingsdown sets itself apart with an unrelenting focus on our noble purpose. That's to help people sleep better. To do so, we're very lucky to have on our team renowned sleep expert and inventor, Dr. Robert Exman. Now, Doc, you and your team have brought us a couple of technologies that really help us. So teach us a little more about those technologies.
Yeah, it was interesting, Craig. About 30 years ago, when I first started getting involved in the bedding industry, I heard terms that manufacturers use like comfort, like support. And what we found is that most people, when they come in to buy a mattress, buy based on comfort. And then manufacturers put support labels on beds. And they put things like firm, medium firm, soft, plush soft, all those kind of terminology. So we started doing some research. So from a support standpoint, what does firm mean? And we actually found out that there's no industry standard for firm or plush or soft or any of those.
Of course not.
So we said if we have to look at comfort, which should be an objective thing, we need to be able to measure comfort. And Dave Scott, I'm lucky to work with this engineer, he and I developed what's called X Factor. And X Factor is actually a machine that I can mimic anyone's human body, from height, weight, distribution of weight, with the shoulders, with the waist, with the hips, lumbar curve, flexibility, all of that I can now replicate, and I can push that into a mattress so we can see what body type that mattress supports correctly. So now we're the only company in the world that measures support characteristics of a mattress so that we can develop to that standard. But now we had another issue. Suddenly we developed to that standard, but now how do we know we actually produce a product that has that characteristic associated with it? Because there's a lot of variables when it comes to a mattress, different fill materials, different springs, different foams, whatever we make that out of. So we said, let's see if we can now take and off the manufacturing line, be able to measure every mattress that we manufacture. So we developed and patented a system called ICSA, Inline Comfort Support Analysis. Now we're actually measuring the comfort layers and the support layers off of every mattress when right before it goes into the bagger, gets sent to the consumer. We now know that it's manufactured to that standard. So we develop to a standard and we actually manufacture to a standard so that we can assure all of our mattresses meet a certain quality guideline.
So who is Kingsdown? It's a company with a great history, great products, and a scientific approach to helping people sleep better.